In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check real views on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Then head over to this Reels tab. Now here you're going to find all the reels that you have posted. On each reel thumbnail, you'll notice a number displayed at the bottom, and that number represents the total views your reel has received. This is the quickest way to check your reel performance instantly. Now, if you want even more detailed statistics like watch time, likes, comments, shares, and audience reach, you'll need to switch to your professional account. For that, navigate to Settings and Activity page, scroll down, click on the option Account Type and Tools, click on Switch to Professional Account and complete the process. Then you can head back. Now, you're gonna find the option of Insights below the Reels. Click on that. Here, Instagram will show you detailed performance data including total views, watch time, likes, comments, interactions, and how many people your reel reached. This can help you understand how your content is performing and whether it's reaching new audiences. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.